What up, gang? What up, TikTok? What up, YouTube? Gold bean gold. Gold is officially bean gold. You can't expect anything less. Gold is doing gold things. But what's happening, you guys? I guess we'll do a bit of analysis here and see if we can get a play. Yeah, we've dropped a lot. So now we're just going to need to try and get something happening here. Yeah, we're going to have to see if we can get something happening. But yeah, gold's cool. Gold's cool. You know, you would rather see volume than no volume, right? So, no, it's cool. But yeah, so here, this is officially London Open. This is officially London Open. What up, Trade Invest Simply? Louis. Let's do a quick have a look here. So the 1 hour just closed super strong. 4 hours looking super strong. We're just going to need a lower time frame entry. Just going to need a lower time frame entry signal. Sir, signal. That was my sister's dog. He like does his crazy cough thing. He's sick. No, this is definitely London Open. Is any of my fundamental guys here? Like, is there some sort of something happening while gold's dropping like this fundamentally? I'm up on a few of my funded accounts here. 570 on this funded. 180 on this funded. I haven't traded my Asia funded today, and 730 on these 300Ks. These 300Ks are about one trade away from being passed. Big Mad Lord, what up, what up, what up? Big Carl. It's on a Fibonacci level. Oh. Fibonacci. Big Graph, what up, man? Didn't see you around yesterday, I don't think. I swear I don't remember seeing you yesterday. Up 280 on this 50, nice. Yeah, I caught a couple trades here earlier. I can go through them later if anyone wants to see. But for now, we'll have a quick look here. Rose. I don't know how to say your name. Big Pez. Tariffs in US and EU have paused for 9 days. Will be paused. Was that just announced like now? You would love a breakdown of that trade? Oh yeah, nice. All right, I'll go through that shortly. A smash with your strategy at 3 AM. Nice. Sick. What up, running? How much you make today? 570 on this account, 180 on this account, and then 700 over these 3 accounts. Yeah, caught a couple trades up here earlier. You looking for buys? Why is multiple people in TikTok saying you're looking for longs? When you say this, why do you say you're looking for longs? Hey bro, are you looking for a long position? Just wondering because of this color, usually that means go long. I'm looking for whatever the market will give me. So I'm just going to wait a little bit for some things to happen. Hey Daniel, did my second trade of my life because of you. I really appreciate your streams. Learned so much from you. Oh, nice, Ivan. Sick. Damn, fresh in the game, my bro. People need a load to go with the trend. Yes. Give us a type 2 counter. Yeah, that'd be nice, right? Yep. Big cash dog. Ariel, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah, I'll show you guys what's up with these. You know, like what Kashi, these guys in the mentorship were just talking about here. This play that I caught here was on the 30, which is like a kind of a counter trend trade on the. So we had a formation like this, an engulfing candle like this, the retest, entry sits there, you ride it up to this next level here. It was a bit of a tricky one, and it's going to take like time for some people to get a grasp on like some of the nuances, but you know, on the 15, it looked like, okay, a fair bit of green is printed. Candle bodies are progressively getting smaller. We have a red candle print here, and it's like, but I actually looked at this as like a bit of support. I was still bullish because the 30-minute had closed so strong. But then the 15 pushed off, and I was like, oh, this trade might be over, but it came down, and then when it reflipped, I entered there and wrote it up. And it coincided nicely with the 30-minute and the 1 hour as well. So then on the way back down, we had a nice type 2 formation here. My bias was still relatively bearish. We had a type 2 on the 30. With a 4 hour was looking hella bullish, bearish as well. You know, we were rejecting off these ranges. And my only reservation here was we didn't get much of a top wick here. So what I did is I let the first 15-minute candle print, which is around here. Yeah, so here, this is where the 30-minute closed. First 15 printed, next one wicked up, and as it broke that previous 15, I said, man, all higher time frame signs are saying push down, and I entered without too much of a big top wick on the 1 hour. It was based on the 1 hour, primarily, and it just melted. It melted more than I anticipated, to be honest. Let me get rid of these. God damn it, look at this shit, man. Crazy. Surgical precision over here. No, I don't trade top step. Could you explain your trade? Oh, I just did that, yeah. The same first trade, nice. Missed the second one. Yeah, a lot of people miss the second one. And there's a fair case for missing it. Like, you had to be a little bit more aggressive with it, I believe. But I was able to tie all the time frames in and justify a reason to get aggressive with it personally. It touched an FVG. Oh my. But what about all these other FVGs that it touched? How come you didn't care about it then? Did you guys all get cooked there? Why don't you trade top step? I don't need to. Like, Bullinox just is the same here, and I've got it's the same shit, just cheaper. Planning for that retracement? What retracement? Who said it's retracing? Yeah, good call, Perry. Very good call. Check Discord. Let's have a look at Suman. Suman's a good trader over here, you guys. Let's have a look over at what Suman dropped. Nice. I think, is this a 30-minute time frame? I think some of the guys in the mentorship caught that as well. Like, you were playing a game there, so let's have a look at the 30. So if you caught that break below there, obviously you're playing, oh, you took it on the hour, I think. Yeah. Obviously you're playing a game of, okay, we've dropped, you know, 100, 200 pips of just red on all time frames as well. On all, even the 15. So you are playing a game of what's the probability we're going to keep going. Let me have a look at that one more time. Especially because if you had the idea that maybe it needed to grab liquidity that was below this big level here, it kind of already did that with that 1 hour as well. But then you could also say, well, it created a wick. Like there's a probability of that wick getting retested and then right into there. So there's obviously things going in both directions, but overall, I think that's a nice breakout trade. Beautiful. Yeah, if any of you guys in the free mentorship, Suman is a good trade over here if you ever need advice. Suman's been around since I started the stream. I had like one person watching. Yeah, looks like a lot of guys are trading over here. Your screen is... Oh, could you guys on TikTok not see that? Yeah, I'm on YouTube as well. You guys on TikTok live right now if you want to see the screen bigger. I saw it. Oh, okay, you can see. Yeah, sweet. Oh, let's have a look at NQ. Someone said NQ over here. Lip in prison is crazy? What the hell does that mean? What the fuck's a lip in prison? Yeah, I'm gonna need to wait for I'll personally be waiting for NQ to go up to this level. What's the balance in your account? I'll tell you the balance in my account if you can send me on Discord a screenshot of the balance in your bank account. Please, does this discount code work on end of day drawdown? No, it only works on option 1. How long does it pass your evals? I don't know, 1 to 2 days. Like on these 3 accounts, it's taken a couple days because I'm linking 3 accounts, so I'm just playing it a bit more safe. But yeah, a couple days or something. So we got 3 minutes here for this candle, 3.5 minutes. I mean, yeah, we'll have to see. Guys, I just blew $187. Trading is hard. Yeah, brother, but the thing is, if you're relatively new to the game, you should be trading prop firm accounts, not real capital. Why waste real money when you don't need to? Just trade prop firms, it's cheaper. Why does everyone hide their account balance? Because, I don't know if they're hiding it, but why does everyone have to show you what's in their bank account? Like, why does anyone need to do that? It's like you showing up, like walk around the street every day with the amount of money in your bank account with a sign on your head. And then and then one day you don't do it and people are like, why aren't you showing us what's in your bank? And you're like, I don't know, I guess I'll show you again. So it's like... It's the 4-hour tattoo. He's giving you free trades. But yeah, it's also a thing of like, then you start to play a game of like, you know, trying to act cool as well. Like, look how much is in my account. Where it's like, trading is already hard enough. Trading live is already hard enough. And then trading live whilst trying to show everyone your balance every day. And, you know, it's just like, you know, then you're just going to start stacking things on top of each other. Where the core of the thing is just show up and trade. Notification, just Google it, bro. What kind of person do you recommend apply for your mentorship? The type of person that's ready to take their trading serious and get mentored. The mentorship isn't here's the course, like here's the strategy, see you later. The mentorship is really meant to be like, use me. Like honestly, anyone in the mentorship or anyone that's interested in potentially joining it, use me, bro, because I'm not going to be this free. As more and more people join the mentorship, I'm not going to have as much availability on my one-on-one time. Right now, like we have like a lot of people in there and only a select few are actually booking calls. I'm like, bro, you guys need to be using and abusing me. Like it's not, don't think, oh, I don't want to take his time up. Bro, you paid for it. Like take my time, take all of it. And also I'm passionate about this. I want to help guys succeed and girls succeed in this game. You guys need to be booking calls like as much as you want. Because again, it's a mentorship, not a course. Like I'm not giving you a course, I'm giving you a mentorship. So yeah, this is in the account, bro. Daniel, do you like NQ for this strategy? Yeah, but it's just NQ doesn't seem to give the cleanest setups that often, that's all. Why do you do the mentorship? What's in it for you? Money. I get to help other people. And I do this anyway, right? This is my whole life. Trading's my whole life. So when other people, hundreds of people go, hey man, can you teach me? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? I'll say, okay, I've acquired a bunch of knowledge throughout all these years. Now I can charge a fee for my knowledge. That's how business works, right? You build a knowledge and then you charge a fee for those that want your knowledge. And then by doing that, I'm helping other people achieve their dreams. And then they get to a level, then they can pass it on. They can help other people build their dreams as well. So it's like a revolving thing. I want to get guys profitable. Then I want to help them create a platform where they can help other guys get profitable. And it's just like, everyone's helping everyone. It's a cycle. Intelligent man, I like it. How long have you been trading? About 4 years. Can I charge a key for my stupidity? Yeah, looks like that 15 really failed to hold any strength as well. We're really bullish today, bearish right now. One of the best in the game, buddy. I've learned heaps from you. Thank you, Trish. Appreciate you. Any entry? No, we just jumped on. We're gonna need some. We're gonna need the market to give us something here. You know, what's the next kind of level? All the way down here. What do you think is the reverse? Huh? What's your mentor? There's different levels, so it just depends, bro. But yeah, I was really thinking about it today. I really want to start getting guys profitable in the mentorship and then building them up to start running streams and building their own online presence as well. Like, you guys don't understand the power of building an online presence in the trading space as well. If you start live stream, like you get to a level in your trading, then you start live streaming and then you build in a community. Like, I want to help push the guys in my mentorship to start building a life out of trading as well, not just sitting on the market. Like, start building a personal brand as well. Bro, what if I take trading as a mambling game? Then you will get mambling results, which is unpredictable. I don't like those odds. I don't like those odds. Bro, can you use TradingView on Bullinox? No, this platform that Bullinox provides called Project X is basically like TradingView. Will you test equity edge prop? I don't know. Nice, Ashton. Hell yeah. Do you think it will rise? I don't know. Rise, chart, rise. Yeah, wow. Okay, so we really got stitched up a little bit here with price pushing down and then... Can everyone join the Bullinox challenge? Yes, sir. Yeah, and you guys, 90% off. 90% off all these challenge accounts. This is a code, 91% off. This, I don't know if this code's got a couple more days left. So you get 50K, 150K, 250K accounts, all for 91% off. I'm going to stack up on a few of these before the code runs out, to be honest. What up, Rome? Big Rome on the frickin' Big Rome makes more money than all of us put together. Use it and abuse it, yes, sir. I remember when I used to sell cars, and I had a mentor, like he was a manager there, and he was an incredible sales guy. And he used to say to me all the time, like I was doing well in the job, like I was selling the most cars out of the guys there, and he really wanted me to elevate to that next level. And he would always say, Daniel, use me. I'm here, use me. And it's crazy because I'm saying that to the guys in the mentorship now. I'm like, bro, I'm here, and I don't know if I'm always going to be this available. Use me. Call me every day. Book a call every day. Like the whole job of the mentorship is here. Let's go, bro. Let's go this way. Oh, you did that? No, come this way. Come this way. And I'm guiding you. Right? Like the stream, guys. Yeah, drop a L on the stream, gang. Slither your finger across that like button, chat. When does the code run out? 2 days. 3 days. Paulina, that's, yeah, it's not really a realistic statistic. That's more probably luck, but it's good that you're finding success there. So yeah, just do it. Just start little, just start low. Billions and billions. What up, Chris? Yeah, so let's see, man. Let's see, man. Wow. I mean, it'd be interesting if gold could actually, if this candle could kind of push up here and close like this, green. Then we could look at some sort of counter trend here. But I don't know. I don't know. To pass 100k count, I have to have 6. Yes, that's right. Yep. This is top step. Pop. So if it closes yellow, yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice, Kashi, for sure. My goodness, Fair King, you got a massive following and so many viewers here. You've come a long way. Thank you, King. Thank you, King. Yep. Yeah, people will show up if you show up every day. Like if you do something every day, if you're building some sort of online brand or anything like that, especially around live streaming, like you'll notice your viewership will increase quite a lot if you can show up every day at the same time, and every day as well. That's why you hear a lot of streamers say I'm burnt out and that and things like that, because there is power in showing up every day. If you have a day off, you might take a hit. I don't know, because I don't have days off. Hey, I have had days off, but it's the same in anything in life. Like if you can do anything every fucking day. I think I decided today as well, I'm gonna start waking up really early. Yeah, I want to see some strength in this candle, in this green candle. If this can push up here and give us a bit of strength, might be interested in some sort of counterplay. For a funded account as a beginner, which one would you recommend? Bullinox. It's linked in my thing. Massive discount. Massive discount. How do people get my number? Sorry to disturb you. I'm Emily from Indeed. We're offering remote jobs. It's like, Emily, how did you get my number for starters? And 2, you're clearly a scam. I wake up before the day ends. Oh, you're manipulating time, my friend. Manipulating time over here. What a bearish waterfall. Who caught this opportunity? Yeah, I caught a bit opportunity. I caught a lot of pips. I caught basically this big candle here. Didn't really anticipate it to continue down, but that's not my job. Hey, if any of you guys did catch any of this sell and then you watch it drop another 250 pips or 300 pips, How are you so calm? Just remember, like, honestly, this is really important. Remember, it isn't your job to catch all of this. It's really, really, really your job to catch like that piece right there. That's what your job is. Don't get it twisted to think, oh man, that whole move happened. That's not your job. Your job is only to catch that. That's it. Okay, you disagree? Okay, well, let me preference. If you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, that's your job. Because with the right amount of leverage, that right there is $500 or $1,000 or however much you decide. Right? So you, as a scalper, in the way that I teach, it's like we find these high pivot points where there's a high probability of something happening over the next 20 pips. That's it. We have a system that allows us to stack the odds in our favor over 1,000 trades that something is going to happen over the other for the next 20 pips. That's what my job is. Not what's going to happen over the next 400. So just remember that. If you ever get FOMO, just remember it's not your job to catch 400 pips. It's your job to catch 20, 15, even 10. 10's great. If you can catch 10. Oh, nice, Geronimo. Wow, autism. Why don't you trade MNQ for the London? Yeah, I do, but right now there's no setup there for me. If you caught the whole move, you could go off work for 9. No, but not really, because it's all in accordance to the size you use. If I catch 10 pips here, but I use the right amount of size, that's $10,000. Like, it's all in accordance to the size that you decide to use. And I've been like, these are why my trade profits are starting to increase a bit, because I'm starting to increase my size again. Since the tariffs and things happen, I just size down a little bit, like just adjust to the changing markets. But now I really like, and this is something we're teaching in the mentorship, like really getting a bit more of a pulse on the new market, right? The ranges are bigger and things like that. So you are so smart. I get that text every week. Tino, yeah. Emily slid in. Yeah, Emily's freaking really out here tonight. What step did you recommend for beginners and advice? Just start by learning. Just start jumping on Google and shit like that. Googling the basics before you actually put money in. Take your piece and get out, exactly. That's a good one of the good things about Daniel. You actually do what you say and show up. You don't let us down. You have brought one of the fun. Yeah, exactly. Just keep showing up. Got you, David. So let's have a look over here. Man, there really isn't a lot of we're really not getting much greenery. Are you doing the orb strat? No. I'm happy with 20 pips, 100%. Love the way you explain things. Thank you. No need to. What's your strategy? Just price action. And right now, like in the way, when the market moves like trending like this very aggressively, I'm interested in going with it. And I'm also interested in potentially catching a counter trade, but both require a green candle. And you could go, well, there is a green candle there, but that's a bitch ass candle. Like I need a little bit more strength than that. I wonder if Emily's hot. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder as well. Billions and billions. How long have you been training full-time this off your job? I think about a month. I thought I was going to be homeless by this point, but I'm still just kicking. I've been thinking I might move to Dubai so I don't have to pay tax. What do you guys reckon, chat? Should I move to Dubai? Because if I'm going to do it like you know, in a couple of days or something. I don't want to have to pay 50% tax. How would you go get a visa? Yeah, I've been looking into that so much. How the best way to go about getting the visa. I think the best way to do it is you set up a business over there, which is easy to do. I've been looking into it. It is complicated, but I'm trying to figure it out. If I could figure it out quicker, I would probably be there right now. 100% move, really? That's what I want to do. Puerto Rico, yeah, I've thought about Puerto Rico as well. I love Dubai. Yeah, I'm only really doing it for the tax purposes, and there's nothing holding me here in Australia. Oh, Ashton, was that you that won that thing and went over there? If you need any advice, give me a message. Oh yeah, Kay, I'm gonna follow you right now to remember that. Can you message me, Kay, please? I would love to be able to pick your brain briefly. I'd really appreciate that if you could help me out. People saying 10K a month is enough in Dubai. Thoughts? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I can hook you up with an agent who opened my Dubai and now a resident. Yeah, but I appreciate that space, but the thing is, they charge like 10 grand, the ones that I've seen, the people that help you. How much was your guy? I don't want to spend 10 grand just for somebody to do something that I could probably have Googled. Damn, bro. Like, so you could look at this and say, maybe we've got to break below this key level here. But the issue is, like, I can't look at this green candle as like a strong piece of support. I can't really justify that as a strong piece of support. What does it look like on Forex? Yeah, it's very similar. I'm gonna have to be patient, man. I'm here to trade, like, I know that, but I'm gonna have to be patient. Oh, that is you, Ashton. Nice. Damn, yeah. I paid 4 to 5K. Don't listen to these. Hey, Kay, do you reckon I need that though? Or can you help me out without me having to pay that? Yeah, 8K USD. Oh, fuck that, man. I can do it myself. I just need to know the best way to do it. Like, technically, you don't need that, right? The 1 hour's still open. We'll see. Does Project X work on Mac? That's a good question. Does anyone know? Does Project X work on Mac? I'm sure it does. Then if you want someone to help you get everything set up, I have a... Do you really do it? I'll message you after this, though, if you actually do. You'll need to pay for government fees. Yeah, I'm fine to pay for the government fees and tax tests, etc. But it's, I mean, like, paying a company to do it all for you or to help you do it. I'm like, no, fuck all that. Like, I can figure that out. I'm happy to pay for the actual government fees, though. The time frame would be better in Dubai. Oh, I haven't even looked at that. That's a good question. Fuck. Don't forget about Dubai. Come to Poland. There's nice chicks. Oh, that's what. Yeah, that's fine, Kay. I'm happy to pay that. It's just confusing, like the best way to go about it in terms of like setting up a business and doing all that type of shit. Yeah, I'm fine with that, Dory. Yeah. When do you think gold's going to reverse? Who said it's going to? What if it just keeps dropping? There you go. So you got the answer there. See what happens? You show up to a stream and you be active in the chat and you get the community comes together to help you out. Oh wow, it's 11:30 a.m. That's an interesting time to stream. Nice. Hey man, do you always fire off inside? Do you always fire off inside? I don't know what you mean. I mean, we've got to really use our minds here and think about if this were to happen. I mean, if this were to this 15 candle breaks above this like minor resistance here, maybe if the next one were to retest and then push, would you look for something there? Maybe. Regardless, we need some green, my guys. We need some greenery. I think patience will be the key here. Man, it's so windy outside. Man, something happened last night that no one's ever going to believe. I don't even know if I should tell it because people are going to think I'm crazy. But we already do. Okay, we're getting a bit of green here. Let's have a look. Tell it? Yeah, okay, I'll tell it in a bit. I'll tell it in a bit. This is the beauty of trading. We can live anywhere. Exactly. Exactly. And I got no girlfriend. I got no kids. I got nothing. I'm a loser, right? So I can go anywhere. If you move, would you give up your Australian citizenship? I don't give a shit about Australian citizenship. I'll just do whatever's in the best interest of me and my life, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, you just have dual. Why would I need to give it up? Is that how it works? You have to give one up for the other. You're like, man, if you want to go to Dubai, cough it up, buddy. You're no longer an Aussie. If you come here, you're going to get eggs thrown at you. Oh, wow. Look at that. ABU said it's actually a day over here. You're in Dubai right now. Are you live right now? No. How many times a week does your trading plan work out? I mean, there's opportunities every day. Where's Louis? He's down here somewhere. How much you bench, Dan? Not much. I'm actually quite weak these days. Not much. Man, I'm asking ChatGPT how to understand language. What? No kids, no woman, you're winning, Daniel. Am I? Yeah, I think I am as well. No, good. There's nothing wrong with that, man. If you only see 4 A+ setups a week, that's perfectly fine. That's absolutely perfectly fine. Can you please mentor me? Yeah, we're doing it right now. Ask questions on the live stream, bro. Then you'll say you're a winner, not the other. Yeah, that's true. That is very true. Be careful what you say about yourself out loud, gang. Oh, fuck. Look at this. Aaron Trades over here. He's dropping... Bro, I'm going viral with these... You guys are making me rich. Aaron's making me rich in the YouTube chat here. That's so fucking funny. I've got donos over here. I'm getting donos. Could you guys honestly imagine how rich Aaron is? Like, that's literally 0.0000001% of his net worth. So realistically, we should actually all be asking Aaron for lots of money, because this dude's rich. Honestly, we went and watched UFC and he rocked up in a big Bugatti and then just left it there. Like, we got out and walked to the pub and then he just left it there. I was like, are you gonna take it? He's like, no. Shit, this guy's rich. Man, I'm struggling with you're struggling with this trading thing. Identify what part you're struggling with though, because trading and like the word struggling with trading means so much. Don't expose me. That's rich as hell. How old are you? I'm 34. Type 2, Dan. We'll see how this wants to close. What do we got? 5 minutes here. This is going to be pretty important. We're finally getting a bit of greenery, so we'll see how this closes. You can't drink at 6 p.m. coffee and then tell me not to drink tap water. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you might have a decent point there. You might have a decent point there. All the savings from tap water. Yeah. Damn, that's true, actually. The water that I'm buying at the moment, it's 8 bottles, 8 2-liter bottles, and it was $60. So if you want to get the purest water from heaven, it's going to cost you $60 for 8 2-liter bottles. Which I guess I have to pay because I don't want to turn into a freaking lizard drinking tap water. You know? Call me whatever, but I don't want to turn into a lizard. Can you tell the story? Oh, fuck, right. Remind me in a while. I don't know if I want to. It's not even a good story. Okay, it is. I don't know. Bali people are usually rich. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah, Bali people are usually rich, man. When Aaron jumps on stream, he just takes off all of his, you know, his suit and his Gucci clothes. Just to pretend. Bro, answer the question. I don't even see the chat. What the hell? I'm on YouTube as well. I'm live on YouTube. The full screen. Way better than TikTok. I'm not sure, Krishan, sorry. What's the water like in Dubai? I don't know. I'll order it online though. That's where I get my current water. God damn, he's pushing 40. Yeah, I guess so. I guess like if you're using math, yeah, I'm pushing 40. I don't get it. How much you make yearly? Billions and billions. Is NQ doing shit? Wow, it really is. Shit. We're kind of approaching that level that I was interested in. Look how these levels are so respected. Your boy's a fucking wizard over here. Look at it, just taps it. But, like, it's obviously hyper extended now, so we'll just see. It'll be interesting to watch this over the next hour. Yeah, funded accounts are good as a beginner, I believe. Better than you'll be fine in Dubai. Yeah. Two and a half minutes for this candle. Let's see what happens. You guys talking about Dubai chocolates? I don't eat chocolate. I don't eat anything. I keep it clean on all departments. I keep it clean in all departments. Yeah, I thought he is in Brisbane, isn't he? That's crazy. Yeah, I should have called him out. Hey, if you guys ever get into a street fight with a boxer, just take them down. You know, I think about that sometimes. Like, if I'm ever in a street fight with a boxer, just take them down. But then I remember, I don't know what to do on the ground either. So what am I thinking? So delete everything I just said. Then I passed my second 50k account. Do you seek ordinary? Ordinary. Da, 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 da. Legendary. I don't know the words. Amazing though. Good job, man. You were him. The angels up in the clouds. I'm jealous now that we found. Yeah, I was gonna say yeah, we approve of you eating a wrap. Yeah, yeah, I get down with the wraps. That's for sure. I will say that. I'll admit that. And I get down with some zesty. I won't say what they call it. That bacon. People call it something different. That bacon. It's called a karate strap or whatever. All right, so let's see. I mean, I drew up a thing before saying if we break above this little level here, it would be interesting to see what happens. How come pro's not a person? Legit. Shem. No. Keefe, no. These guys are crazy, man. All right, so we're getting a bit of shit happening here. I would love to see if this 30-minute can close like this. And then the next one push down. Might be able to get some sort of counter trade. It's so windy here for some reason. Like there has to be a reason for wind. But at least I can put a level here now. We've got a fucking level. We have a level. Interesting. Finally. Because alternatively, if this wants to fuck around, you know, maybe create a top wick here and then break below, I mean, I'm pretty interested in the sell. I'm open. I'm an open book. I'll give what you got. If you got any spare trades, man, please come on, market. Got any trades, bro? Like, I'll take what I can get. Oh, that'll be an hourly close as well, will it? Yeah, you're right. So that will be quite nice if that 30-minute can do that for sure. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is Wealth Simple a good app? Oh, I'm not sure, bro. Yeah, yesterday and well, I'm personally cleaned up yesterday and today, to be honest. I'm up on all these bangers. Your boy's rain and greenery. Heard a lot of people say use a funded account to gain capital and put it in your personal account. Would you recommend? Yes. Yep. This is Bullnox Cash. I mean, don't underestimate that. Like the time that it's probably going to take to get, like, as a new trader, to get into funded accounts and build your capital to get to a personal is going to take time. But I think that route is better than straight into personal, because you're just going to lose all your money. Hey, you guys, 91% off all Bullnox accounts over here using this code. 91% off. 50K, 100K, 100, 250K. 91% off. This code's not going to be here long, so it's a couple more days. So I'll be thrashing this code. I'm going to personally get a few more before the code goes away as well. Let's have a look how many people have bought them. Let's have a look how many people have got one. Oh, wow, 304, and then one person got the 75. Let's do some quick math. So you guys get a cheap account and I get $4.50. So 305 times $4.50. Oh, wow, $1,372 I got. When are you announcing your new prop firm partnership? Good question. That's my fault. I haven't messaged them back. Late this week, I would say. It's meant to be officially starting on the 2nd. So yeah, I got to message them tonight. When passing your challenge on Bullnox, can you wait to activate it or will you get charged monthly fee? No, you can wait as long as you want. Unlike there's other prop firms out there which they like force you to pay for it straight away. Yeah, Bullinox is a monthly fee until you're funded. Then it's just the fund, you pay the funded, like the fee to get to the funded account, and then there's no more monthly. Are you talking about going over to personal Perry? Yeah, I agree with what you're saying, if that is what you're saying. Dan is rich like Aaron now? Yeah, literally. See, Aaron's richness is rubbing off on me. Look at me, you guys. $1,000 over here. Aaron's Bugatti is rubbing off on me. What's the best platform user in Germany? Bro! Do you think I'm like having like a fucking encyclopedia in my mind of the best platforms in each place on earth? I don't know. Is there any German traders here? Just use anything. They're all the same. People say don't trade on bank holiday, but I remember, yeah, just trade what you see. If there's movement, trade it. Can I have stuff? Aaron, don't even get me started about your freaking, yeah, crazy. Yeah, BJJ, just drop into mount. Oh, look at this. We could be breaking below here. Then Yellow Pages homes. Why Yellow Pages? I don't. Oh, I see. That's funny. Why did my level disappear? I mean, look, man, I'll sell if the market tells me to sell. I'll sell. We've got clean traffic to the left. We've created a bit of consolidation, a bit of support. If we break below and retest, I'll sell if there's a gun to my head, I'll sell. Like, and you could say, well, are you going to sell when there's really 7,000 red candles in a row? And I'll say, I think so, yeah. Because I know a lot of people are buying right now. Like, everyone just got tapped out there. All those FOMO guys that feel like they missed a big trade here, they all took a buy here because they're like, finally, we're getting some, you know. So they all just got kicked in the schlong right then. Where I'm interested in selling. Can you pass the account in one day on Bullinox? Yes. NQ swept. What does that mean? But let's have a look. NQ's got a broom. Yeah, NQ broke through that level. Nice. I mean, you see this a lot when gold goes down, NQ goes up. Dude, correlation. It's like, don't even think about it, bro. I'm just... Wow. Okay, gold. Wow. And now we're at that level. We're at like a... Shit the bed, man. This is wild. I mean, what do you do with this now? To the left, it's getting messy as hell. The next clean range is like below here, realistically. Let's see. Wow. I'm gonna be a millionaire in 6 months. Did you trade yesterday? Yes. How long did it take you to be profitable? 2 years. Could have shortened it if I wasn't a egotistical idiot. Yeah, Jay. Like, you can be a Bullinox affiliate. You don't need to have a big following. New York's going to be scrambled today. Insane moves. Yeah, like... Yeah, insane. Wow. I mean, I wanted to be a part of a sell position here. I wanted to go down. Legit, Perry. How come you never make a trade? Okay, Benj, I'll just take a trade because you want me to. Not because the market is giving me an ideal setup in accordance to my profitable system. I'll just do it because you want me to fucking click a button. All right, let's do it. Bench wants me to take a trade, so let me take a sell. All right, I'm out. $26. Thanks, Bench. I'll take it. You bloody bastard. You bloody bastard. Thanks, Ben. Fuck, easy money. Oh, shit. The bed, man. I took that too, bro. Fuck. Bro, don't throw dubs in the chat. Fucking hell. Oh, I just passed 150k. Bro, everyone's throwing dubs in the chat. That's wild. That's unbelievable. Thanks, Ben. Ben just became a fucking legend in the community. Oh no, TikTok just dropped. Why? Harassment and bullying. That's not true. Oh, TikTok just banned me for harassment and bullying, apparently. Apparently we bullied Ben because he just made us money. Yeah, that just got me banned, unfortunately, somehow. I'm gonna have to request to give us another signal ban. Oh fuck. Yeah, Ben's selling course mentorships now. Ben's a go, yeah. It's me, Elite Trader. Ben, have you got a signal service, bro? Dub Ben. Oh, that's so funny. Mum were rich, yep. He was a bloody bastard for sure, do you reckon? But bloody bastard is like an Australian term. That literally means like hello. It's Ben AI. Ben is AI. Do it again. Ben just literally retired me. Shit. Is Ben a feminist? TikTok bend you, yep. TikTok know what Ben's up to and they said, we got to shut this guy down. What kind of watch do you have on? Nah, nothing special. Nothing special. Should have full ported his sig. I know, man. If only I knew. If only I knew Ben was secretly him. TikTok went... Oh, thank you guys that came over from TikTok. Yeah, TikTok just banned me. I don't know. I must have said something. Ben's fucking literally the goat of the channel now. That's wild. That is actually crazy that Ben is him now. All right, Ben, what do you got for us, man? Because honestly, I don't know what to do here. This is crazy. Just Red City. Just Red City now. How do you link accounts with Bullnox? You just go over to the settings and there's a copy trader section. Bro, I wish I was Ben. Same, honestly. I went long. Eey. I want to marry Ben. Bro, Ben has literally become him. Ben is literally... Yes, I doubted initially, but the doubt turned into, honestly, faith. If we really get down to the bottom of it, the doubt turned into faith. All right, we've got 2 minutes over here for the 15, the hour, and the 30-minute. We could be cooked here, chat. We could genuinely be cooked here for the London stream. I'm not going to lie. We need a shirt with Ben. We literally need to drop Ben. We need to drop fucking Ben merch. Ben merch. It was just a small range for the next. Oh, Ben. Oh, that's so fucking good. 1 minute reversal. Shit. That's my new entry model. Ben entry. Yep. All right, let's see how this candle closes. I'm not going to lie. We could be cooked. We could be cooked. What do you think of AI trading? I think if AI trading worked, these markets wouldn't be here because AI had cracked the code and the world just isn't going to give out free money. So I think you could maybe get some here and there, but it doesn't. Yeah, let's see how this candle closes. I don't know. I mean, I'm already up a fair bit, especially after that bend signal, so I don't know. I could be done for the day. In the bending. How you been? Yep. Android 18. Once you get to know, she's actually really sweet. Fuck. Ben AI merch. Yes, sir. Bench is my friend. Elite trader. Yeah, let's... I mean, what I'd like to... Like, anyone got any ideas, man? Because I think we're done here. If anyone's got anything they want to throw on the Discord, because I'd be very interested to see how somebody's making sense or a potential trade right now. We can have a look at NQ, but it's the same story on the opposite end, though. Just green on the way up. Ben, BTS Ben trading strategy. Fucking hell, Ben, man. I guess I shouldn't doubt so much the signals that random people put in the chat. Does Ben have a signal group? Fuck. Don't finish yet. I mean, look, I want to trade, but I don't know, man. I'm looking out after Ben's trade. I guess that's probably a decent idea, man. Did you take a trade yesterday? Yeah, I had a good day yesterday. Ben 10. Sell on the flip. Okay, but the idea of selling on the flip, because for me, I would look at this as a breakout. Like, okay, I had a level here. I wanted a candle to break below, but what happened? We broke too far below, so now it's an overextended breakout. So if I take a sell on the flip, my stop loss really has to go up here, and that's too big of a range. That's too far now. So I need, in theory, I'd need to wait for price to develop and shit. I mean, I'll hang out a little bit. We'll see if anything develops over these next couple minutes, but I find it hard to believe. Ben's running a meetup. Plenty of range. We'll take a short right now. I want to take a short, but I still need to find a sensible entry. I need to find a sensible entry. I'm with you, bro. I want to trade. But I also don't want to just give money back because fucking Ben told me to. Ben caught the sell from here. What time frame, Deleter? Because looking at these 30, that's a strong 30 closure. It's a strong hour closure. Like, I'm not getting any real signs of weakening just yet. It's in a fucking really strong 15 closure. I mean, realistically, I would like to pay attention to that level as well. See how we react up there. Move this down now. This is a new level down here. NQ long. But it's the same story on NQ. Like, you got to ask yourself, like, you need some structure to develop now. Like, you need some red to print in order to take us, like, to find a sensible entry. I mean, sensible entry in the sense of where am I going to put my stop loss? So it's going to, you know, that's all. Bend over. It takes 24 hours, Matt, when you pass the challenge. I know it's annoying because you want to activate it, but it's going to take around 24 hours in order for you to go over to the master account, unfortunately. Ben just gained 100k 6 performance. Yeah, I'll hang out. I'll see if this how this 15 closes. I mean, realistic. Like, I'd be interested to see what happens if we break above this level here. I'd be interested to see what happens. Like, see if anything starts to present. What if you went to the small time frame to look for entry, but then that excludes like that? Then I lose the edge of my proven strategy. I have a proven strategy for one specific set of rules. If I start doing other shit because I want to look for a trade, then I lose my edge. How are you meant to edge? Do you guys want to edge to the fucking market? You need to just stick to your strategy if that's the case. Bitcoin, yeah, I don't really like to day trade Bitcoin though. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a mess, personally. Yeah, we'll see what that looks like, Delt. But that'd be more of like a breakout more than anything, I believe. Because you know, like a 15-minute breakout. We'll see. Ben Belmar. Take the trade, bro. Sell, bro. Your TikTok live ended? Yeah, I got they said I harassed someone or something. It's an error. Like, that's the annoying thing with TikTok. Submitted an appeal. We'll see what happened. Ben got me banned, legit. So yeah, well, I don't know. We'll be interested. Let's see if we can break above here. Four hours still open. Oh, Wick City on the big wick on the 4E. We're back at this fucking range. Like, we've been, this is such like an interesting consolidation range, like this mid kind of range here. Every time we get there, it's every time we get here, which I'm not super excited that we're back here, because every time we've been here, we've consolidated here for a couple of days almost. Now we're here again. But it's not bad for a scalper because we can just scalp our little rat way through that. You know, it sucks for swing guys or intraday guys. Yeah, they do. But I didn't get banned for trading. I got banned for, I said, harassment. Ban the code. Oh, that's so good. Power speech day, really? Yeah, I don't think it's like high impact. Oops. NQ impulse buy. I'm personally not interested. I'd need to see a pullback for NQ. Yeah, I'd need to see a pullback for a high probability trade on NQ. Maybe if this candle closes red, small body, I could be interested in an impulse. come back. I'll check this out soon. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up if you're on the stream here, you guys. Can we get to 100 likes over here, you guys? 1,500 people have been here, only 76 likes. Unprecedented. And if you're not subscribed, drop a sub, you guys. Live every day. Live every day. Big Booze, what up, what up, what up? So yeah, just hanging out here. Be interested to see if this can break above here. Don't know if it will, but we'll see. Entry when? We enter when Ben says that's when. That would be the key time to enter. And anyone interested in 91% off all these funded accounts? This is a code here, 91% off. Code leaving soon, so stack up, son. I'll be stacking up. What's the best way to stop FOMO into trades? You'll only FOMO into trades if you don't have a clear understanding on your proven strategy or system. Like when you know your strategy really well, you won't FOMO in because you know you have to just wait to see what you need to see that's in accordance to your strategy. FOMO only comes when you don't know your strategy well enough and you see the market moving like, fuck, I gotta press the button. And it's just like, get real familiar with your strategy. And if you don't know your strategy, then get a strategy, like buy someone else's strategy or something. Like anyone that ever thinks that, oh no, I'm just gonna build my own strategy and I'm just gonna take pieces from here and here and there. You're basically saying, hey God, take my money on markets, take my money for the next 5 years and just put me through hell. It's like, there's nothing to, you don't have to prove it to anyone. Like just buy someone's strategy. We're here to make money, not to make, you know, feel like we accomplished creating our own structure. Like just buy someone's strategy, bro. But even that, it's only going to get you so far. Like try and get around good traders, try and get around people that are profitable traders and just pick their brain and shit. Maybe CJ, maybe. Like if it breaks above, maybe. I still don't, it's still not very pretty. It's pretty fucking ugly. Like maybe I'd want a nice retest. I don't know. I don't really want to take it if it happens, but if it happens, I might have to. I'm not sure, Toby. Yeah, someone else in the chat might be able to help you there. Yeah, look, there's some people. Depends, Lulu. Just get option 1, it's cheaper. Option 2 is only if you really want to just like full margin your accounts, and that's just not very smart anyway. Is it, Perry? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, pretty big fucking candle. Can I get a hey for the tiny account beginners? Elaine? Hey? It's so windy, man. What the hell? Why aren't you live on TikTok? They banned me for some reason. They said I harassed someone or something. Is there a limit to how many accounts you can have? I don't even know why you'd be thinking about that. Have you even got one account yet? Like... Yeah, good job, Tino. Definitely. Yep. If this candle looks whack, I'm going to call it a day, you guys. And we've had a big move here. Expect there to be trash volume for the rest of the day. Maybe not volume, but trash market structure. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm already up pretty heavy for the day on all accounts. So I don't need to give any back profits taken subpar trades. Ben's banned from all prop firms and brokers. Yeah, TikTok shut my live down. I appealed it, so we'll see if the appeal gets accepted. Nice. So okay, yeah, you can have 11 on Bullinox. Nice, Keefy. Yeah. Yeah, this candle's looking whack. And Q, you got anything for us? No. All good, chat. I'm done, you guys. Thank you for showing up. Didn't really expect this. Well, who cares? But yeah, nothing clear. So I'm just going to call it a day. No need to force any trades. Please, if you're going to continue to trade, be careful, man. Don't force anything. You're probably going to get real shit price action. And that's all. But yeah, love you guys. Appreciate you guys jumping on. And I'll catch up with you tomorrow for the London stream. All right. Peace out, fam.